The magic starts here, in the kitchen, the heart of the restaurant. It's this efficiency of preparing food that will contribute to a consistent result each and every time you serve up a dish. Everyone can create a great dish once, but the real challenge is in reproducing the same great dish 100 times in a row. Chefs know how important it is to have a kitchen that is highly efficient, effortlessly organized, well-equipped and perfectly designed to serve high-quality and consistent meals over and over again. At Falcon Professional Kitchens, we provide turnkey kitchen solutions for your business in the UAE and GCC region. Our planning begins at the preliminary stages of each project and provides a comprehensive and cost-effective solution. We conduct site surveys, develop layouts and define the project plans. And there we go, we're ready for execution. A state-of-the-art in-house factory enables us to excel in custom stainless steel fabrication for commercial kitchens. The process of stainless steel fabrication goes through cutting with our unique laser machine in the UAE and the region, bending, hydraulic and electric for highest precision, threading and polishing, ensuring an exceptional finish for each unit. Our team is committed to guarantee the best stainless steel products through product engineering and advanced fabrication design. Our portfolio of brands features the leading names in the commercial kitchen equipment business. Our facility features over 50,000 square feet of warehouse space, with a stock consisting of hundreds of brands and thousands of items of kitchen equipment. It is this that gives us the ability to ensure we have the inventory you need when you need it. Falcon installation teams are fully trained to install the equipment, ensuring that it operates efficiently from the start and guaranteeing a proper handover through in-depth technical training. Our help desk is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to take your calls and urgent requirements. With thousands of spare part lines in stock and ready for immediate delivery, we provide the right part at the right time. Our planned preventative maintenance contracts are formatted to help avoid downtime and increase productivity. We have completed thousands of projects of all kinds, from food trucks and restaurants to hotels and large catering facilities. Our success is the result of the hard work of over 200 highly qualified members of our team who are committed to provide you with the best kitchen solution. Falcon, we do kitchens right.